Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This four-door sedan has a 12-cylinder, 6.8-liter V12 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Rolls-Royce is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, power windows, and window defogger.